So guys, the Osmo Pocket. This little gadget is fantastic. I've been using this for just over a year and I kind of got a little bit, not bored with it, but I guess I just bought some other devices. But you know what? I'm kind of dead excited about it again. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the Osmo Pocket, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Yeah, I had that for just over a year, or around about a year, and I kind of went off it for one big reason: accessories. Yes, accessories. There weren't any. Well, certainly not this side of China. So unless you were getting paid by DJI or somebody else to promote this stuff and they were giving it to you for free, you just could not get hold of any of the accessories. Well, of course, as you know guys, I don't get anything for free. Everything I review, everything I unbox, everything I own, I've bought with my own money. I've bought with my own money. Maybe I've just bought with my own money. So I kind of got excited about the DJI Osmo Pocket again. Why? A, it's a brilliant device. You know what? It's small, it's pocketable. Yeah, the gimbal is brilliant. The footage, stabilization, even the audio quality out of the box now with software and no external microphone is good. So recently I did an unboxing of something that I've waited literally almost a year to get hold of. I probably could have got it maybe 3 or 4 months ago, maybe 5 months ago. I'd kind of already moved on from that point to the DJI Osmo Action, which uses GoPro accessories, mounts and all the rest of it. And also the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I absolutely love. So for, you know, underwater, anything to do with water activities, the GoPro is absolutely superb. So anyway guys, as you would have seen, I unboxed recently the DJI Osmo Pocket. I don't know what they call it, it's like an accessories kit. It comes with a memory stick, which, hey, got plenty of those. But more importantly, it comes with this wireless adapter, which is actually really good because this kind of has a USB socket, USB-C socket, LED on the front, USB where the Osmo Pocket kind of clips in, so it's gonna kind of look like that. And that's the socket on the back. So you can stand it up, charge it up, happy days. And the USB cable actually powers the device, but it doesn't transfer data. And actually, if you want to see the unboxing of this device, I'll put a card just up here. It also comes with the, more importantly, this wheel. It's the wheel, thumb wheel control, up and down, so you can tilt the lens. You can flick the switch, and the up and down makes it pan left to right as well. Press this one here and it will flip around 180 degrees, so you've got that portrait mode. Normally you get that by kind of pressing this button 1, 2, 3 times and it will flip round. And the other button is for the control of whether it's in FPV mode or tracking or whatever. So this is absolutely brilliant, and in order to use this, I'm just going to take this wireless mount off. You've got to remove the phone connector, but you kind of don't really need that. You slide on this in its place and you are good to go. So if I just turn that on, there you have it. And if I move the wheel, you can see that's actually left to right panning mode. If I flick this little switch and do the same thing, that will move the lens up and down. And then by pressing, I'm doing this blind now, but by pressing this button, that will make it spin round 180 degrees. So again, you can see that up and down. The camera's going to focus, and also flicking that, you see there, left to right. So all good, but the biggest problem now is this. So this case is the standard DJI Osmo Pocket case, and obviously when you turn this off it folds up and you can put the DJI Osmo Pocket in here and it's kind of nicely, neatly tucked away. Perfect. However, with the wheel fitted, just click that back on, go to pop it back into the case, yeah, that way up, and now immediately you see there's a problem. I can't carry this around with the wheel on, and you know what, I don't want to keep clicking it in, clicking it out. I mean, this thing starts up really fast, you're good to go within 3 or 4 or 5 seconds. I don't want to be connecting the connector on every 5 minutes. So this is no good, and this I don't want to be carrying around just like that. It's too, well, it feels like it's too fragile. So what to do? Well, I'll tell you what to do. Get one of these. So this is an aftermarket case. It's made for the Osmo Pocket. It's made by a company called rcgeek.net. So yeah, this is made by a company called RC Geek, and let's open it up. It's very simple. It's not going to be a huge unboxing, but I just wanted to show it to you. It's about £10 or something like that. I'll leave the link in the description below. And that's it. So it kind of looks very similar. Got the USB-C charging socket, or the hole, so you can put the charger in. It comes with a little strap thing, which if you want to hook that on, that's up to you. It's, this is hard plastic, pretty similar, and it's nicely lined inside, so it's not going to scratch your device up. But the nice thing is, okay, it's a little bit bulkier, not a lot, but just a tiny touch. But the design of it is that this will fit in there, this kind of goes over the top, hooks in there, and there you have it guys, ready to go. Now that's a good solution. Yeah, I like it. So just a simple unboxing guys, but a solution that if you do get the accessory wheel for the DJI Osmo Pocket, then this is going to keep your device safe. And again, you can see there's not a huge amount in it. So guys, that's just been a very, very quick unboxing just for this. Love this, love the wheel, love the accessories. I've got some more DJI Osmo Pocket accessories to show you, so keep tuned. Don't forget to subscribe guys, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of those new videos. I'm really excited for the new accessories and to be using this again. It takes great footage for what it is. It's really good. So that's it for now guys. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching. Like I said, I'll put the description to this, the link to this in the description box below. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will see you the next time. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for watching.